taking a look at SoFi here with the Bollinger Band on the weekly chart as well as the daily chart. On the daily chart, we are pretty much close to being oversold. This morning being at a low of 1182, in my opinion, definitely oversold. If the overall market continues to dip, I'm just going to be sharing with you the potential drop here from 1254 all the way to the bottom of the Bollinger Band on the weekly chart. That is at $11.17. Just keep in mind that's a 10% drop from where we're at currently, and it's just a possibility. This is what I would be viewing as a dip opportunity. In my opinion, on the weekly chart, anything below the middle band, which is below 1481, is going to be a dip opportunity, as I believe this is going to have its own reversal. So about a 17% gain back up towards the top side. I expect to see a reversal here to the middle Bollinger Band, and then watch out for the $18 Bollinger Band to be tested as well. That's going to be the upper band on the weekly chart. That's a 46% move towards the top side. Something to keep an eye out for during this year if we get an overall market reversal or a rally, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and go on the daily chart and just show you some potential resistances to keep an eye out for. If today we can close above 1221, here are some resistances in the future to keep an eye out for. These are going to be short-term resistances based off of the Fibonacci retracement and our recent high here of 1711, comparing it to 1222, okay? So, resistance of 1326, 1409, 1466, 1524, 1595, and then of course 1711. These are just approximate levels to keep an eye out for in case there is selling pressure, resistances. See if we can break above each of these resistances, and if so, can it confirm as a support level moving forward? And if so, you might start to see potentially a reversal back up towards the top side, similar to this back up for SoFi, okay? Not exactly like that, but just a possibility for a reversal into SoFi stock. What I'm viewing, if I am long-term on SoFi, is that this is a really good dip opportunity. Find what stocks that you are highly convicted in, right? Find stocks that you're basically stocks that with your highest conviction is what you'd probably be wanting to buy during these big dip opportunities, right? I mentioned in our previous videos that for me personally, I'm highly invested into Nvidia and Tesla, and to each their own. Find stocks that you really like, right? So some people really like SoFi stock and want this to be part of their long-term portfolio. What better way to have it at a lower average or to get it in at a cheaper cost per share? You definitely want to identify quality stocks at a discount and look at proven winners in disruptive sectors. If we know that SoFi is going to be profitable or now profitable, then is this worth picking up at 1252? If it is for you, and in my opinion, I think it's a very considerable entry below 1481 here on the weekly chart while we're at 1251, then I would personally be picking up some shares for SoFi stock, especially if long term I believe this is going to hit $20 and up. Now, if you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining the Discord, link down below in the description. We have over 32,000 members and it's free to join. If you're looking for our live entries and live exits, as well as re-entry, you can join our Patreon, currently 90% off permanent discount. We have over 20 analysts sharing live entries and exits on stocks and options. If that's something you're interested, I will leave the link down below in the pinned comment section as well as the description of the video, okay? Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think for SoFi in the short term. Do you think we bottomed out and we get a reversal? Or do you think there's some more room towards the downside here? I don't think there's more room towards the downside. I think we almost hit the bottom, if not already. 940 maybe could be a level to keep an eye out for, as well as 1116 again. That's going to be the lower band there. This morning here hitting a 1182, okay? Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you in the next video for SoFi stock.